Yes, we are live. I am super excited to be here. My name is Victoria Simon, and today I just want to show you how to make use of the presentation slide you're able to create on Canva. So it doesn't matter whether you created it on Canva or on Pixel Lab, as I've shown you in the previous video. So all you have to do is to make use of the interface. As you can see right here, I am on my Kinemaster app, but it's Kinemaster or Kindmaster, whatever it is or however it's being pronounced. So I'm just going to call it Kindmaster. So I'm just going to click on the plus sign over here, and once I tap on it, I have the option of choosing different sizes. Of course, the presentation slide comes with the option of 6 by 9. All right, so I'm just going to tap on it, and of course it gives me the shape. And once you tap on it, you have the option of importing your own media. And once you're going to do that is to import your background. That should be the first thing you're going to do. So you're going to import your background, and let me quickly show you. So here you have your background, and here you have your Canva, you have your favorite, or you've starred as your favorite on the Kinemaster, screenshots, your cloud, your WhatsApp, your camera, or your WhatsApp image, your Pixel Lab, your capture, and all of that, as you can see on your screen. So if you can decide to scroll more and then select whichever one that works fine with you. So the first thing I said you should do is to tap on your background, and then you can select any color that you want to have as your background. So let's say I want to tap on green because that's more like what I like working with. All right, you have the option of actually changing the color to something that you really want. Okay, so if it's this that works fine with you, or you can have that as your screen. Okay, and then you just have to drag, and then the next thing you are going to do, you're just going to tap on this sign over here. All right, this controls if you're done or not. All right, so I'm just going to click this and then tap on the good sign, and the next thing I'm going to do is to add my layer. So this is what control my layer, what I want to have on my background. Okay, and then if I don't want anything on it, I just want to work with the background itself. I'm just going to tap on media, because this background I have over here is the media. It talks about the major background that you want. You either have a plain background or you have a picture or a video as a background. All right, and you're able to, one thing you can do with that is to add your infographics. All right, so you're able to change all of that on it. Okay, so but that should not really bother you. Okay, so and then just watch what we're going to do with this the slides that we've been able to create on our Canva or Pixel Lab. So quickly, I am going to import my presentation slide from Canva. So I'm just going to tap on layer. All right, I'm going to tap on layer. This is where I'm working from, in case you don't understand, but I've explained what this interface really is. So this is it, and then I am just going to tap on layer. Sorry, tap on layer, and then I'm going to click on media, right, because I'm importing a picture. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on media, and what else, we're going to tap on Canva on the media side, and because it was designed on Canva, so I'm just going to add this. All right, over here I'm going to drag to fill up this space, and then I'm going to mark it, import the second one. Okay, just play around with it. You can be having your background image. Right, I'm just going to tap on these, shift it a little bit. Okay, and then have it on the screen, and then move away, add a layer, which is definitely going to be the second slide. All right, so I'm just going to have, what am I going to have, which one should I use? I'm going to have these, and then drag it to fill up the space over here, and then mark as correct, and then continue to add you just keep on adding. So that's why it's very important not to have too many slides. Okay, the standard that you should have most times, okay, it's overlapping this one. The standard slide that anyone should have is more a maximum of 10 slides. Okay, so you don't waste your time. So you can decide to increase, all right, and then bring this over here, because you might want to talk. For example, you might not have the whole time to actually, just have to, how you're able to control it, tap on it and shift. Okay, so you can also tap on this for a long press. Okay, and then use it to fill up this place. And then, okay, depends on what you want. Okay, you have this over here, and then you can increase the time, so you can also control it from here. All right, you can control anything that you want from here. Remember, you can also add in text. Maybe peradventure you forgot something, you can just tap on layer, tap on your text, and just, let's just say, Victoria Simon is the presenter, or what you want to have. And then you just change the background color by tapping on these. You can simply change the background color to, let's say, green. All right, okay, so I have this over here. And then one thing, I can change the font, so it gives me a very nice font. So I'm just going to pick this one over here, and then have this. I can drag it here so it looks more professional. So this is it. I'm just going to drag it to the end of this place. Right. Okay, so this works fine. So you can tap on this to actually choose how it's going to move. Okay, so it will really work fine. Just tap on this particular place where it's going to end, and then you can just split. When you split per head, gives you the option to add in your animation how you want it to move. And then, because I've downloaded this slide over here, which is presentation, so I'm just going to tap over here. So quickly, when I left, okay, right, I'm just going to work. So let's play it and see how it works. All right, so this is it. Okay, right, so I can do that for these as well. Okay, and then all I have to do is tap on my background, and then click on the scissor sign, click at split at playhead. When I do that, it splits it into two, and I just tap on the plus sign, and I have the option of changing my presentation to, okay, I can decide to change it this way. All right, so it can work fine, or something like this, zoom out. Okay, more like, can pick more. So what it simply does, let's play it and see. Okay, so it works fine. So this is basically how you're going to work. And then the most important thing is, if you're not going to be there presently, maybe it's a virtual presentation that you will be doing, you can send in your video. All right, you can send it as a video. All right, so all you have to do is to tap on the voice. You can tap on this voice. Okay, when you do that, you'll be able to have access to a lot of things that you might be needing. All right, let's see. I hope this thing is not too long. Okay, let's leave it at 10 minutes. So let's quickly carry out an experiment. I'm just going to tap on the plus sign. Okay, so hello everyone, how are you doing? Trust you had a wonderful day. Okay, I am here to present this and that. I'll go at glance. Okay, when you do that, you're actually recording your voice. So I'm going to tap on the voice. Okay, if it works fine for you, it's going to play, and then That's how you can create your presentation. Just know your words, know your lines, and then use your voice to control it. And here you go. But then if you don't need any of this, you can just have it as a video format, or better say leave it just the way it is. So that's the end of this video. Another way to have a presentation slide is just to follow the next video I'm about to share with you. Thank you very much.